Hey YouTube, so my wife just asked me how she could take a screenshot in Windows, and I just realized that there might be some other people out there that didn't know how to do it as well, so I figured I'd put together this quick video. In Windows, if you want to take a screenshot, it's pretty straightforward. Down on your keyboard, you have the Windows key. You need to look for the Windows and your print screen key, which on my laptop is here. You hit Windows and print screen together, and that will take a screenshot of whatever's on your screen. In order to find that screenshot, if you go down to your search bar, and if you type in screenshots, you'll see that the folder pops up, screenshots. If you click on that, you'll see that we have our screenshot right here. Now you can also get there by opening up, if you open up your folders and if you go to pictures, it's actually a folder inside your pictures called screenshots. So I can go in here and I can access it, but you'll see now if I open it up, I now have the screenshot that I took. So it's a simple, easy way to create a screenshot. Again, just to review, in order to create that screenshot, let's say I want to create another one now, hold the Windows key and print screen together. Now you'll see I have my new screenshot here. So it's very quick and easy to do. There's a second screenshot that I created. Anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.